In this hide there is also 4mm crystal clear stop sun glass, and has also heating with gas and stationary tripod, and it's a fantastic environment here to photograph in. I'm both lucky and unlucky with the wind. The wind blows from the front to me, which means that they can't smell anything from me. But the downside on it is that they land and take off against the wind. So I don't get any photos towards me. I just had an old goshawk, and here is a red kite circling around, and they are diving for food, but they don't come down so I can photograph them. I have even seen a white-tailed eagle flying over, and then everything disappears. So now I will take coffee and a sandwich and wait for the birds to come down, because they are all gone now because of the white-tailed eagle. And I think I saw a golden eagle also, but I'm not sure. So we will see. I'm now taking a break. I have soup and it's warm. It's goulash soup, and here are 5 common buzzards outside, so I have to talk quiet. And it's a little bit rain in the air, and it's blowing a lot, so I hope there will come an eagle. I have, as you have seen, I had a goshawk here for two times. I know I will take a break with a photo, a movie, and come back. See you. I just have a goshawk. It's a younger goshawk outside, and it's sitting a little bit away, but now it comes. So I will photograph and I will film it, and maybe I don't film it because it's sitting in the food, but I will take pictures where I can take out the goshawk. So I have it here. I will soon go home, but in the end I will show you some movies from here, and I will show you pictures that I have been taken this day. It has been a very dark day and a little bit rain, so the ISO is very high, but I think it should be okay. Now I'm going home. It has been a lot of birds here today, but the weather wasn't so good. It was a little bit rainy and cloudy and not so good light, but we will see what I got. And if you like the movie, please give me a thumb up. And if you really like it, you can even subscribe to my channel. So see you in next movie, and Merry Christmas. Bye.